Okay. Stand up, Austin. Stand up.
Sit down.
Uh-oh, you lost your ball. You lost your ball. There it is.
Does it when he gets the ball. Get your leg
Oops,
back.
Mommy's shaking the camera really bad. There you go.
You did it.
My gosh. Mr. Hyperbutt tonight.
You did it.
Give you some Ritalin.
This is what I was afraid of. I'll help you. You're up, you're up. God, calm down. Spread the feet out. Oh, don't attack me. There's your ball.
Need to get him a softer ball.
How about the football? Whoa.
Smaller,
this?
softer ball.
How about this?
That's almost as big as you.
He's squeezing the crap out of it.
I almost got him one. I wished I had now for Christmas. I just didn't realize he'd like them so much.
Well, bend down and get it.
Just
Don't
like
stay
your
there
cousin
looking.
Drake.
Just pick it.